Hello friends, today we will talk about Houston Maritime Attorney, and we have to say that number of titles here. Yes, offshore injuries are both common and devastating. When you are a loved one has been injured offshore, it's important for you to know what you right and or what you are entitled to receive as compensation. When you work with the reinach and Binstock, you can rest assured that you will be working with a maritime injury lawyer with over 30 years of experience. That automatically ensure that you will have a leg up in count, as almost nothing is more important than experience in a courtroom. Contact a Houston Maritime attorney as soon as possible for your claim. When an offshore injury has occurred, it is important to understand what type of compensations you may be entitled to. Offshore injuries are governed by complex and complicated states and federal laws, which govern the type of compensation you may receive. For this reason, an experienced maritime injury lawyer, such as those as Rich and Binstock, will help you tremendously with your case. Consul- for a free consultation, please call 713-622-7211 or fill out our online intake. A brief history of maritime and admiralty law. Maritime law and admiralty law are two terms that can be used interchangeably. Importantly, maritime law, also called admiralty law, is what governs offshore accidents. Maritime workers have almost always adhered to certain specific laws that govern this industry, although much of the general maritime law in the United States come from the constitutions that are other sources for those regulations as well. Below we list some of the important laws, status and regulations that are crucial when it comes to maritime injury case. The Injury Act. The Injury Act, also called the Merchant Marine Act of the 1920, the Jones Act, extend the Federal Employees Liability Act (FELA) to injured maritime workers. Basically, it allows injured work in the maritime industry to file personal injury claim against their employers. In order to do this, they must have been injured during the course of their job duties. The crucial status the crucial statute status the following: a seaman injured in the course of employer, or if the seaman dies for the injury, the personal representative of the seaman may elect to bring a civil action at law with the right of trial by jury against the employer. Law of the United States regulating recovery for personal injury to or death of a railway employee apply to an action under the section. What exactly is a maritime lawyer? Maritime attorney are one of the many types of the personal injury lawyer. They handle maritime injury case, boating accident case, and even commercial maritime case. At our Houseman Law Office, Range and Binstock is passionate the right of the injury maritime worker. If you are having trouble security compensate for your employer, or an insurance company or maritime lawyer are here for you. Cruises ships accident, cargo ships accident, commercial boating and fishing accident, wrongful death cases, oil and gas worker injury, shipyard accident, worker falling overboard, jack-up bridge accident, deckhand injuries, and bridge accident. Many of these cases handled by the maritime lawyer involving devastating and Catastrophic injuries.
Center.